Welcome to the demonstration of the Anupath Nano A1C. Be sure to follow the specific instructions provided to ensure accurate results. Today, we'll explore testing both blood glucose and HbA1c using this single device. To perform the test, you'll require the following components: the Anupath meter, Anupath test strips, a lancing pen, Lensits, and an alcohol swab. Anupath meter has multitasking user button, the OLED display. An insertion port allows you for precise insertion of testing strips. Before proceeding with the test for the first time, it's crucial to select the code first. To do so, simply press and hold the button for 3 seconds. A mode selection screen appears on display. Here C stands for the code, which is used to configure the device by setting the code to match the strip vial. M stands for memory, which is used to view the last 25 test results. By momentarily pressing the switch, you can toggle the selection between code and memory. Select option C and press and hold the button for 3 seconds. A code selection screen appears on display. Here, BG stands for the code for blood glucose vial. A1C stands for code for HbA1c vial. By momentarily pressing the switch, you can toggle the selection between code for BG and A1C. Select A1C and press and hold the button for 3 seconds. By momentarily pressing the switch, you can toggle the selection between code 5 and code 6. Refer to your HbA1c vial and select the correct code. Select 5 and press and hold the button for 3 seconds to select the code. Same procedure can be followed for glucose also. Please note, user only need to select the code once for the entire set of strips within the vial. No need to reselect the code before each test. Prepare the lancing device before testing. A lancing device has a sliding barrel, trigger button, depth indicator, an adjustable cap. Hold the lancing device around the depth indicator and turn the barrel anticlockwise to remove the device cap. Insert a new lancet into the device, twist it off, and pull out the safety cap of the lancet. Put the device cap back on. Pull the barrel back to load the device. You may hear a click to indicate the lancing device is now loaded. Hold the lancing device around the depth indicator and turn the adjustable cap to suitable depth. To perform the test, take the Anupath HbA1c test strip and insert it into the meter. A test selection screen will appear. By momentarily pressing the switch, you can toggle the selection between blood glucose and A1C. Select A1C and press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Please note that the procedure for using A1C device may differ from other glucometers. The Anupath A1C strip features 3 capillaries, each with a dedicated opening. Clean your finger with an alcohol swab. Place the lancing device firmly against the sample site and press the trigger button to puncture the skin. The sequence of the channels is very important. First, place the blood drop near channel 1. Then move to channel 2. And finally, move to channel 3 in the center. Make sure the channels fill completely to the end. After the processing, the result will be displayed on the screen. Remove the test strip and dispose of it in medical disposable trash. To see the previous result, press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Select the option M and press and hold the button for 3 seconds. By momentarily pressing the switch, you can cycle through the last 25 results.